Good morning student. Today I am going to explain history lesson number 5, when people rebelled 1857 and after, part 3. Now part 1 and part 2 I have explained you, and I think that you have read also there. What we had seen in that, how the people were harassing by the British government. The kings were there, the queens also were there, peasants also were there, money lenders, sipais, every peoples were there, craft persons also were there. They were harassing by the British government and people were not happy. That's why they had done the revolt. And the first revolutionary that we had seen, that was the Mangal Pandey, and he first of all start the revolt against the British government, that we had seen it. Again the Sipahi Mutiny also there. The Sipahi Mutiny means what? The mutiny means all the first of all it started where in the army. These groups of the soldiers, they were gathering and they were disobeying to whom? To the British officer. That is the mutinies that we had seen it in the first and the second part. Now in the third part, now we are going to see the third part. And what is the name of the lesson? When people rebelled 1857 and after, part 3. The rebellion spread up. After the British were routed from Delhi, there was no uprising for almost a week. Now the rebellion spread up everywhere, but the British were uprooted that one, the Delhi, and there was 1 week there was peace everywhere, and there was no revolt. It took that much time for news to travel. Then the Sparta mutinies began. The people were too much angry on the British government. They kept only 1 week silent there, and again they start the revolutionary activity, and they started the mutinies. Mutinies means they were disobeying to the British officer. Not only the soldiers. Now in every nook and the corner, all the peoples were there. They were not listening the order given by the British. Regiments after regiment mutiny and took off to join other troops at the nodal points like Delhi, Kanpur and the Lucknow. Now regiments after regiments means after in one place one army doing the mutiny, then other parts also like that Delhi, Kanpur, Lucknow, all the peoples means soldiers also were there, the regiments of the soldiers also were there, and other peoples also, the common peoples also were there. They were not listening order given by the British officer. After them the people of the towns and the villages also rose up in rebellion and rallied around local leaders, zamindars and the chiefs, who were prepared to establish their authority and fight the British. Now the leaders were there, the zamindars also were there, the chiefs also were there. They wanted to establish their own power. That's why they also were supporting to whom? To the revolutionary, and there were they were taking out the rallies also were there, were the march pasts also were going on. They were giving the communal also against the British government, and all the activities were supported by the zamindars, because they also wanted to establish their power. The first of all, the Nana Sahib. He was the adopted son of Bajirao Peshwa II, and he was living where? In Kanpur. He gathered armed forces and expelled the British garrison town from the city. Now garrison means where the soldiers live. That place is called the garrison town or garrison there. That last year also you have learned it. So Nana Sahib Peshwa, he had gathered first of all the armed forces, and he expelled the British garrison from the city. He proclaimed himself Peshwa. He proclaimed means he declared that he himself is Peshwa, and he declared that he was a governor under Emperor Bahadur Shah Jafar. Now in the second part you saw that Bahadur Shah Jafar, though he was old, then also he was the leader of the revolutionaries, and the revolutionaries, whatever the revolutionaries activities were there, it was under the leadership of Bahadur Shah Jafar. Understood? So Nana Sahib Peshwa, he declared himself as a Peshwa, and he said that he had adopted what? This the governor under the Emperor Bahadur Shah Jafar. Means In short, we can say it that he had adopted the power of Bahadur Shah Zafar. In Lucknow, who was that in Lucknow? Birjis Qadar, the son of the deposed Nawab Wazid Ali Shah, was proclaimed the new Nawab. Now Wazid Ali Shah also, this Bijar Qadar, he was the son of Nawab Wazid Ali Shah. He also proclaimed, means he also declared that he was the Nawab. He too acknowledged the suzerainty of Bahadur Shah Zafar. Acknowledges the suzerainty means he also adopted the leadership of Bahadur Shah Zafar, and his mother Begum Hazrat Mahal took an active part in organizing the uprising against the British. Now Birjis Qadar, who was the son of Nawab Wazid Ali Shah, his mother, what is the name of that? The Begum Hazrat Mahal. She also taking part in that revolutionary activities, and she also organizing the revolutionaries. In Jhansi, Rani Lakshmi Bai joined the rebel sepoys and fought the British along with the Tata Tope, the general of Nana Sahib. Now, Rani Lakshmi Bai of Jhansi, that story you know that she hadn't child, that's why she had adopted the child. But at that time, British government was not ready to give such a right to the Indian kings and the queen to adopt the child, because and why they were not giving such a rights there? Because they wanted to take the territory of Jhansi Rani Lakshmi Bai. But she also had given the fight with whom? With British government. That story you know. In the Mandala region of Madhya Pradesh, Rani Avanti Bai Lodhi of Ramgarh raised and led an army of 4,000 against the British, who had taken over the administration of her state. Now Avanti Bai Lodhi, now she also, Avanti Bai Lodhi from Ramgarh, she also raised the against the British government. She had taken 4,000 soldiers, but unluckily she also defeated by whom? By the British government. The British were greatly outnumbered by the rebel forces. They were defeated in a number of battles. Now, number of battles they were defeated, but this convinced the people that the rule of the British had collapsed for good and gave them the confidence to take the plunge and join the rebellion. Now, every now and then British were not winning the battles there. Many times the revolutionaries also winning there. That's why the common people also got such a inspiration from that, and they thought that every now and then the British government would not be win, then the revolutionaries also winning there. That's why these peoples also, the common peoples also supporting to whom? To the rebellion. A situation of widespread popular rebellion developed in the region of Awadh in particular. Now you know that Awadh Nawabs, as per the subsidy alliances, and he had not paid the tax to whom? To the British officer at that time. According to the subsidy alliances, the British government had taken his half of an territory that you have read it in third lesson. On 6th August 1857, we find telegram sent by Lieutenant Colonel Tatler to his commander-in-chief expressing the fear felt by the British. Our men are cowed by the numbers opposed to them and the endless fighting. Every village is held against us. The zamindars have risen to oppose us. Now, on 6 August 1857, that one telegram got it. Telegram, and what had been written that, and who wrote that is the telegram had sent by whom? The Lieutenant Colonel Tatler, and what he had written, he wrote his commander that, commander-in-chief, and in that he expressed that. What he expressed? He expressed that our men are cowed by the numbers opposed to them and the endless fighting. He wrote that the Indian people from every nook and the corner, every villages, every towns, and everywhere these peoples, Indian peoples, were doing the revolt, and it is not good for the British army, and every village is held against us. And he said that every village, Not only the peasants, the zamindars also were there, and they have risen to oppose to us. He wrote like this to whom? To the commander of chief. And who wrote it? It is written by the Lieutenant Colonel Tatler. And to whom he has written? He has written to the commander in chief. Many new leaders came up. For example, Ahmadullah Shah, a Maulavi from Faizabad, professed that the rule of the British would come to an end soon. Now see, many new leaders also came to. Most of the example is Alauddin Shah. He was a Maulavi and from Faizabad. And he professed means he had predicted means bhavishyavani karna. He predicted that the rule of the British would come to an end soon. He said that now very early the British rule can be end there. He caught the imagination of the people and raised a huge force of the support. And whenever he told to the people that, and he had done the assumption, or he had that he had done the prediction, the British power would be end soon. He got, because of his imagination, people huge force that raised a huge force of the supporters. Now he got many supporters there, and he came to Lucknow to fight the British. Now he got the such a supporters there, and whenever he got such a huge supporter, he had given fight where? In Lucknow with the British government. In Delhi, a large number of Ghazis or religious warriors came together to wipe out the white people. White people means these British officers. Bakat Khan, a soldier from Bareilly, took charge of a large force of fighters who came to Delhi. He became a key military leader of the rebellion. Bakat Khan was the military rebellion, and he came from which place? He came from Bareilly. In Bihar, an old zamindar, Kuwar Singh, joined the rebel sepoys and battled with the British for many months. And leaders and the fighters from across the land joined the fight. Now Kuwar Singh also, now in Bihar, an old zamindar Kuwar Singh also joined the rebel sepoys rebels, and he also joined, and there was a battle between the British and the Kuwar Singh. Now you have seen this third part. You have to read it, and whatever you are curious you can ask. Okay, thank you my children. Student, today I am going to explain history lesson number 5, when people rebel, 1857 and after, part 3. Now part 1 and part 2 I have explained, and I think that you have read also there. And in that part we had seen about the mutiny, against that how the British people harassing to all sections of the world, all sections of the country, and more. बोल रे लालू. काही नाही बाबा, बसून आहे आणि झोपले. बोल ना. हा खूपच सिरियस आहे. हो का? म्हणजे कसं काय रे?